guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, thank you so much for the love you're showing. Thank you for the comments, for the like, for those who are sharing. Thank you so much. And also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow together. Okay guys, today we are doing something simple. We are doing French fry with eggs, and let's do this, guys. Guys, we are done with our potatoes. We take a bowl of water, we add them, like that. We wash. Now we drain the water. We have drained our potatoes like that. Now we take our eggs, we beat them. We add. Take the other one. Guys, we are done. We add paprika. We add black pepper. We add salt. We mix. We add cornstarch. You mix well. Like that. Now we go straight to the pan. We add we have already heated our oil, guys. Oil was ready. You can separate. And turn them. And guys, as you can see, our egg French fries are ready. You can see how they have turned to be. And by the look of these, they are crunchy. Guys, our French fries are ready. We take them off. We separate them. Guys, as you can see, we are garnishing our potato egg French fries. You can see how they have turned out to be. They look nice, crispy, delicious. Anyone at home can try this recipe, guys. Very simple to try each time. Look, guys, as you can see, we are done with our egg potato French fries. You can see them, they look nice. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can grow together. Guys, your support is much needed. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.